Hi guys, you know, good afternoon and welcome to DAX Freak. I've been away for a while now, but I'm back now, and I'll be posting a lot more new upcoming videos on Power BI, DAX, different kind of things which we can do with Power BI visualization, Power Query, M Query, and taking things together. That's what my goal is in the upcoming 1 week or so. So today I am going to bring you a video on drill through. So drill through basically you must be knowing that we can drill through in Power BI. What is drill through? Drill through basically is uh, selecting something and seeing the details of that whatever you have selected. So for example, I have this pie chart, right? And I've just created a normal pie chart, I mean a donut chart, wherein I'm just analyzing my sales amount as per different categories. Now, for example, in the other page, I have a list of states and their sales, right? Let's make it something like this, right? Looks better. So suppose I have all the sales amount by different states, right? And what I want to do is I just want to, s- click on any of this element. For example, I want to click on TV and video and see the TV and video sales in these states, right? So there are three ways we can drill through. I'll explain all of those, three ways how you can drill through from one page to the other page. So basically, the first step in setting up uh, a drill through is, you know, uh, you can go to the page where you want to, drill through. You want the user to connect to that particular page, or you want the user to navigate to that particular page. You can go to that particular page, and then you can just, I'm using sales amount as a this is a sales amount is just a simple measure, which is just the sum of sales quantity into net price. It's just simple sum of sales, and I've just dragged this into my drill through option. That's it, right? And now what I'm going to do is I will go to this page and show you the first way to drill through. Once you set up your once you set up your drill through, automatically uh, this particular page will give you this back button, so you can go back from to the main page, right? Now for example, I want to see this computer sales across all states. So what I can do is, you can see, there is an option of right click to drill through, right? I can just right click it, and I can just press drill through. I mean, I can hover around it and go to sales details. This is the TV and video sales details of all these states. I can go back and I can choose another category. I will see that California now tops the list with this cameras and camcorders. This is one way of drilling through. The second way is I'm also showing you how to drill through a card visual. So we can have this entire sales amount in this card, and let's suppose I select home appliances. It gets filtered by it, the sales gets filtered by home appliances, and again I can right click here and I can drill through from directly from the card. It's a very cool trick. You can employ this cool trick in your dashboards, and you can just see the details of that. The third way is you need to set up a button. So I've just set up this button. You can just you know insert button a blank button, and then in the action tab, just as in the type, you can just select drill through. Once you select this, and I've also just mentioned the destination. My destination is sales details, and then I have just created one measure which talks about if my category gets filtered. If one of this category gets filtered, then click to see details for selected value of this category. So it's a very simple DAX function. If it's is filtered, you can also go and check out my is filtered DAX video, which just checks whether a column gets filtered or not. So once it gets filtered, I'm just checking click to see details for selected value of that category. Otherwise, keep on showing this. Click on category to say see sales details, and I've just dragged this in the text function, drill through button. I've just dragged this measure here. And once I click any of these categories, say if I click on cell phones, I'll get this option, click to say see sales details for cell phones. And now I can click this button also, which will take me to this page. So these are three basic, ways how you can ask or let the user navigate from the main page to the details page, drilling through from the main drill through page to the sales details page, one by directly clicking on the element, one by button, and also you can do something with the card as well, right? So these are three basic ways of drilling through. So that's about it. Let me know if you like the video or not, and keep liking, subscribing, and commenting on the channel. Thank you so much.